Subscribe my YouTube channel and give the bell icon to never miss my any upload. Hello and welcome friends to Mr. Arpan YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you could download your custom logo for free. So get it in and let's go. First go to your browser and search in the search bar www.canva.com. Just search it. First you have to sign in here. After signing in, just click on create a new design. Look, I have created this in here. Create a new design. Click on that and scroll down. And you will get the option of logo. Look, there is logo. Click on that. Now it will take you to another tab. Now you could choose there many designs here. You could choose any design, but I will not choose any design. I want a fresh page. Now I will go to upload and upload this image. Click on that image and look, it comes. Now just position it. I am positioning it. I projected and go to your heading. Click add heading to make a logo. To make a logo title. It is a very easy step, friends. After done, click add heading and give your name. Like I am giving Mr. Arpan. After giving your name, just color it or says the font. Like I'm saying that font. This font looking good. It is done. Now I will give that under the logo. Now just add the technical boy. Now if you want to give color, but I want to give a good font, like giving a good font and giving it size and font. Look, now project it. The arrow will tell you how much it is in the middle. Now it is good. At last click that and I will give English. Look, it is looking. Now just project it in the middle. Click all and change the font. Font. I'll give that font. Now it is looking good. After choosing that, give a color. I'm giving red color and that will be blue. I give this color to blue. Now it is looking good. Go to shapes and there you could select any shape. There are many shapes in here. Now I will select that shape. Look friends, it is looking like that. Now just position it. It is looking good. After positioning it, it will be look like that. It is a easy step you could do very easily. Now friends, what it to do? Just follow my steps now. Now it is looking good. Click that, click project, click that, click. Now click just arrange back or forward, click back, and now you could select the text. Oh, I have a mistake. Now click. Now it is looking good. Now, again click arrange back and give it to the top. Again click English arrange and back. No, sorry, I have a mistake. Now click English arrange back. Now you could select it. Now let's shape it. Now it is looking good, friends. Now what my logo is done. I have to do something. Just keep to left. Now it is looking good, friends. This logo is created. It is a very simple and easy trick. When your all logs are done, click download. Click the download button and click PNG and download. So friends, all logs are now done. Thank you for watching my video. The logo will start downloading. Goodbye for today. And you could see the logo in here, how it is created. Thank you and goodbye.